The parentheses walk into the group chat. Before anyone says anything, we are handling our business. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. So 15 minus 3 and 6 squared divided by 6. Now we have 15 minus 3, 6 squared divided by 6. The exponent says I am not regular 6. I am 6 squared. So 6 squared means 15 minus 3. 6 squared means 36. 6 times 6. Okay. So divided by 6. Now here is hidden multiply. So multiplication and division left to right. So 15 minus 36 and times 3. 8 and 1, 108 divided by 6. Now division first. So 15 minus and 108 divided by 6. 108 divided by 6. So 1, 6 and 4, 8. So now 8 times 6 equals 48. So 18. Now 15 minus 18 equals 3. Keep the negative sign.